So welcome students. So in this question you're given the differential equation cos x dy is equal to y times sin x minus y dx. So how do we solve this? You're asked to solve this equation and find y as a function of x or so. So first what I do is I'll take this cos x onto this side. So I have dy by dx is equal to, if I bring dx onto this side, y times sin x by cos x is tan x minus y by cos x. Tan x minus y by cos x. So this implies you have dy by dx is equal to y tan x minus y square by cos x. This implies dy by dx minus y times tan x is equal to minus y square by cos x. Minus y square by cos x. So now as you can see, this is very much related to a linear differential equation. You have dy by dx plus y times you have a function of x is equal to 1 by cos x. You have a function of x here, but you have an extra y square here. So this is an example of a standard Bernoulli equation. So in Bernoulli equation, what we do is we bring this y square onto this side. We bring this y square onto this side, and whatever power of y is left in this term will be taken as t. So if I bring y square here, y by y square is 1 by y. So 1 by y is left out with the second term. So that is what you need to take as t. So let 1 by y is equal to t. This implies minus 1 by y square dy is equal to dt by dx is equal to by dx. So now once you do the substitution, dy by dx, and if I bring y square downwards, 1 by y square dy by dx, 1 by, if I bring minus y square directly, minus 1 by y square dy by dx is dt by dx. And if I bring minus 1 by y square here, so minus and minus becomes plus, y by y square is 1 by y, which is nothing but t. So plus t tan x is equal to 1 by, because minus y square has been sent here, you have only 1 by cos x, that is nothing but secant x. Now this is a linear differential equation in terms of t. So to solve this, let us first find the integration factor. So what is integration factor? E power integration of p of x dx, that is tan x dx. That is equal to e power integration of tan x. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. And we know the integration of tan x is log of secant x. So the power is, the exponent is, the base is e, and the power has log to the base e. So everything is cancelled and you have the integration factor as secant x. So once you have the integration factor, what is the solution of this equation? t times integration factor is secant x is equal to t times integration factor is equal to integration of q of x times integration factor, that is secant square x dx. That is equal to, what is integration of secant square x? The differentiation of tan x is secant square x. The integration of secant square x is tan x plus some integration constant. So once you have the integration, let us back substitute what t is. T is nothing but 1 by y. So secant x by y is equal to tan x plus c. So this implies secant x is equal to y times tan x plus c is the solution to this differential equation. Thank you.